Literally, as soon as I turned the car off, and stepped out of the car, boom! I hear a burst, and my hose just exploded off of its out of its spot. That's fine. Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're gonna do something real simple. I'm gonna get a freezer plug installed on my 6-cylinder 67 Mustang. That will soon be coming out, or we will be grenading it live on the YouTube channel. But till then, I'm gonna seal it up and get this freezer plug installed, which is really simple. I did get one of those rubber ones because I couldn't find the actual original part. Perfect. So for this simple install, all you're gonna need is the plug itself, which you can get at AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts for $4 to $5, a 13mm socket, and in this case I have the adapter and something to make it a little longer, and a ratchet. You just take the freezer plug, and I think I called it a drain plug earlier, freaking idiot. You take the freezer plug and you make sure that you unscrew it a little bit, loosen the nut from the washer, and you just push it right in. Make sure that you line up the freezer plug, the washer with the side of the block, and you just tighten it up a little bit. Then you take your ratchet and you tighten it about 2 to 3, maybe even 4 complete clockwise turns. All right. We fight the unknown. Alright, so I ended up using another extension. I didn't realize that my headers stick out so far. Let's get it tightened up. On a journey back home, what's waiting I don't know. I'm trying not to let go, but I will climb until I reach that side. I'll look back knowing I tried, and that I gave it up, I gave it up, I gave it up. But I will climb until I reach that side. Just fill up the water. Now let's get the car started and to operating temperature. That way you can test for any leaks. Got the car somewhat to operating temperature. It's been running for about 10 to 15 minutes, and this is kind of where it's been stuck at, which is good. It means the car isn't overheating anymore. I know that freezer plug had leaked out a lot of water. It was kind of like an obvious fix because it was basically stick hanging out. As soon as I touched it with my hand, it came off, and I was able to pry it off just by not even yanking on it, just a simple pull. But let's go check out the freezer plug and make sure that we have no leaks. Literally, as soon as I turned the car off, and stepped out of the car, boom! I hear a burst, and my hose just exploded off of its out of its spot. That's fine. We come over here, take a look at our freezer plug. There are no leaks at all, which is awesome. All I gotta do is just get a better clamp, hose clamp for this water hose, and I should be good to go. That's all for today, guys. Let's get back to the garage. That's all for today, guys. Really unfortunate that the hose broke apart like that. It was kind of a little bit scary because it made like a really loud explosion. It was like boom. But it is what it is. Sometimes that kind of stuff happens when you're dealing with really old cars or when you're dealing with high temperatures, especially with the weather. It's almost at like 70 something degrees. Not that hot, but for us definitely up north. It's a change from yesterday, which was approximately 40 degrees. So that's all for today, guys. We'll have a good day, and we will see you later.
There's bird shit all over it, bro. You wanna wash it for me?
No, I definitely don't want to wash your car. Freaking idiot.